First at 11, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention now confirming a case of the Omicron coronavirus variant in St. Lucie County, and doctors at the VA hospital in Tampa also report a positive Omicron case. Good evening, I'm Todd McDermott.
And I'm Felicia Rodriguez. Thank you for joining us. Those two cases add Florida to the growing list of states that have detected the new strain. Now, at least 21 states are reporting infections stemming from the Omicron variant. But the World Health Organization announced preliminary data does not show that Omicron is more severe than Delta.
Aria Heights in St. Lucie County tonight with more on why experts say there is no need to panic.
Officials with the Department of Health here in St. Lucie County did not release any information at all when it comes to the patient in this case. I did speak to an infectious disease doctor about Omicron in general, and he says this is not a reason to panic, but it is a reason to be very careful. Dr. Larry Bush says he's been expecting this.
Yeah, it's not a surprise. It wasn't a question of if we would have a case. It was a question of when we would.
And the when is now. The CDC confirmed Tuesday night that a COVID case in St. Lucie County is the Omicron variant.
How concerned should people be?
I think they should be concerned in the fact that we know that this is probably as or more transmissible than Delta.
Dr. Bush is an infectious disease doctor in West Palm Beach. He's been watching as the Omicron variant has moved its way across Africa and into other countries around the world. Bush says Omicron has so far shown a greater ability to break through the vaccine, but it's unknown at this point how severe those breakthrough cases can be.
We're going to learn in the next few weeks whether the people who've had vaccines, whether our vaccines are still very effective against this variant. So far, we don't have any reason to think that they won't be.
And that's the good news. The bad news, according to Bush, is he believes Omicron will spread more rapidly than previous variants, especially through those who are not vaccinated. He says the next 2 to 6 weeks will be vital.
If we start seeing more breakthrough cases and more hospitalizations, then we know that there's a real problem. So far, we're not seeing that. Hopefully we won't see that.
And again, no information at all about the patient here in St. Lucie County, no idea on symptoms or even where in the county the case may have been contracted. However, officials here with the Department of Health tell me they have conducted contact tracing and they've been in touch with anybody who may need to quarantine. In St. Lucie County, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.